Suite 2105 at the Setai Miami Beach. This is an owned suite. There's a locked door where the owner can keep his or her bits and pieces. You can live here very easily. I've got a washer dryer, dining for 4, typical Setai, wood floors with black marble surround. I've got a full-scale kitchen, fully stocked. No USBs because it's actually too old. I've got a microwave and cooking pots, a fridge stocked with juices, milk, coming on round, plenty of storage. I think that's a steamer up there. The main bathroom, twin sinks. Big shower, looks easy to control. And again, stand up, not fixed toiletries. And a big, deep jacuzzi tub with a loofah. And the bedroom. I've got a hat, details of the spa, 2 hats, caps, and a bag, and this amazing view.